Hey guys, I'm going to show you something that I just learned recently that I thought was extremely cool and helpful, but also incredibly easy. Have you ever had a situation where you had two documents and you were needing to toggle back and forth between them? So, for instance, I had this thing where I needed to make a quiz and I was using some questions that somebody had sent me. So I was having to read each one and go, who was the main character? All right, who was the main character? And then I had to go, all right, what were the answers? First, Daniel, Dashiell. Okay, so I had to go back and type that. And I was just toggling back and forth between. It was incredibly annoying. Here is a way to make that crazy simple. Watch this. First of all, grab one of your tabs, pull it down, and it puts it in its own little thing here, right? Okay, next. So we've got three things. This one, and that we don't need. Um, Go down here to this bar down here. Just click Show Windows. I right-clicked right here, and I got this, and click on Show Windows side by side. And it brings up your two windows, the one you've got here in your form, and they're right side by side. And so now you can just easily look at both of them and go through and type very simply going down, watching both of them at the same time, and you can just sort of undo that whenever you want to. Um, Again, super simple. I thought it was the coolest thing I've learned in like 6 months. Hope it was helpful to you.